world of filters and perfection, women deserve something real. That's why in 2012, we launched Verily Magazine, an alternative to a media culture built on perfection and distortion. At Verily, we're different. No Photoshop, no agenda-driven misinformation. Instead, we offer inspiration without shame. We showcase beauty with depth, content with soul. A vision of womanhood rooted in dignity, celebrating real women, real stories, and real beauty. Because we believe that every woman deserves to be seen for who she truly is. For over a decade, Verily has operated on a simple conviction. Women deserve to be seen, not as they should be, but as who they truly are. And today, we are poised to take things to the next level.